Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to find your Truist routing number? Let's make it simple by using the Truist app. First of all, open the Truist app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are in, select the account you want to view. From here, tap on account details. This is where you will find important information about your account, including your routing number. Your Truist routing number will be listed right here. Be sure to double check it before using it for transactions like direct deposits or transfers. If you are unsure or need confirmation, it's always a good idea to contact Tourist directly at their phone number. Using the wrong routing number could send your money to the wrong account. Finding your routing number on the Truist app is quick and easy. Thanks for watching.